The shore of the Bohai Sea, the neighbor of Beijing and Tianjin, the place where the dragon bath light, the hometown of Iron Buddha, the site of the canal for thousands of years. We have been like one day for 40 years, around the core value of don't do the most expensive, only do the most useful. Take the market demand as on duty, take the customer trust as the purpose. Now it has grown into a leading enterprise, integrating research and development, manufacturing, sales, with the production of a full set of carbon machinery and equipment capabilities. We are Hebei Shengli Carton Equipment Manufacturing Company Limited. As the director unit of China Packaging Federation, a famous trademark enterprise in Hebei Province, as Hebei Enterprise Technology Center and Technology Enterprise, the president unit of Dongguan County Carton Packaging Machinery Association. Since its establishment in 1985, Shengli Company has developed from small to large, from weak to strong. From a small tool factory to a total area of more than 86,000 square meters, with a carton machinery and equipment manufacturing enterprise and 3 manufacturing plants. Here brings together the elite team of high-tech product research and development in the packaging industry. It not only has the leading carton machinery and equipment, but also provides customers with the most perfect overall carton packaging solutions. Become the industry's largest modern carton machinery and equipment manufacturing leading enterprises. In order to do a good job in management, Shengli Company took the measures of going up. Please come in, actively learn from advanced enterprises, high salary to higher management personnel, adhere to the Taoist governance of the top, Confucian system in the middle, the legal system at the grassroots level, the humanization, institutionalization coexist, form the set of standardized and orderly management system. In order to produce high-quality products, Shengli Company has introduced machining centers, CNC lathe, milling, trading machines, and other advanced processing equipment from Japan, Taiwan, and other places, and used to all the products of well-known brands in the selection of key parts, which provides a strong guarantee for the gold medal quality of carton machinery packaging products. Our Shengli Company is set in nearly 40 years of carton manufacturing technology, precipitation, and integration of Europe and the United States advanced production technology. To create a high-quality carton machinery and equipment, specializing in the production of high-speed corrugated cardboard production line, high-speed single-layer corrugated cardboard production line, corrugated cardboard high-speed servo printing fold gluing bonding leakage line, high-definition, high DPI, high, medium, and low-speed printing machine, stitching machine, semi-automatic stapling machine, and automatic folding, gluing, and stitching machine. We also always put social responsibility in the first place in order to save costs for customers at the same time, but also bring environmental protection awareness into the printing industry. We vigorously implement the method of combining research, production, and sales. Our products have won a number of national invention patents, and we have a strong ability to develop and produce a full set of carton machinery and equipment. From raw materials into the company to equipment out of the company, we Shengli Company firmly adhere to the 3-2 principle. That is, do not accept defective products, do not produce defective products, do not release defective products. Product qualification rate must reach 100%, relying on such good quality. Our customer satisfaction rate has reached more than 95% for many years. Nowadays, the products are sold to all provinces and autonomous regions of the country and have the self-run import and export rights. The products are exported to more than 30 countries and regions such as Poland, South Korea, India, Vietnam, Thailand, Pakistan, Uzbekistan, United Arab Emirates, and Egypt. Our shengli company has set up more than 40 offices and after-sales service offices in various provinces, cities, and autonomous regions across the country, and has equipped the professional and technical personnel responsibility for debugging and maintenance work. As long as there is a problem with the customer's equipment, the after-sales staff will arrive in time, day and night. Do not do the most expensive, only do the most practical. Our Hebei shengli carton equipment manufacturing company limited will continue to adhere to such a practical and simple business philosophy, sincerely cooperate with friends at home and abroad, and work together to jointly create a better future for the carton packaging industry.